Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. No, this is not a repeat of the last video share in which I published. This is a different video. Okay, so the last video I shared with you tilapia babies. They practically were beyond the jumping bean stage. They actually had developed a well-defined head, so to speak, right, and a tail, and was being burdened down by a big round ball looking thing that is referred to as the yolk sac in the scientific community, right. It is from this yolk sac that the baby fish actually develop. Okay, so today I am sharing with you this same fish that was once in the corner, now swimming in the aquarium. Now between myself actually emptying the eggs into the aquarium and actually, siphoning out some of the fungus laden eggs and making a few videos in between, it took roughly about 12 days, right. I am unsure as to how long the eggs was practically in the mouth of the female before I actually got it, right. But if you actually watch the videos sequentially coming down day after day, you probably might get an idea that it is between roughly 12 to 20 something days, not 30 days as once speculated in other shares in which I did, right. I shared that it's between 20 to 25 days. It looks as if it would more likely range between 15 to 20 days that the eggs actually were hatched, fertilized, kept in the female's mouth, and then after roughly about 7 to 12 days in the mouth, right, it would actually develop into free swimming fries and will actually be within the water space. Now if you look at these fries, you will realize that these fries are somewhat unique in their dimension, right. You realize that they still have this huge gut. They have a relatively long tail, huge gut, and a relatively big head. That's because they are not yet fully developed. In addition, some of the fungus laden eggs are still within the system. I was waiting on them to practically start free swimming before I actually siphon out some of them, because what was happening is that I was actually siphoning out some of the good eggs, so I allowed them to stay, and they were in a corner beyond the space where the fungus laden eggs were, and they were doing just fine. Now they are actually swimming all over the aquarium, and they are nibbling at the grass, should I say, at the glass, right. I don't think that they are hungry, but they are just pecking, right. Reason being is that the yolk sac, I will not feed them until the yolk sac have actually fully gone down, and that is the huge tummy that they have that looks like a little red ball, right. So when that red ball practically disappears from the fry, then I start to feed them. That's because all the nutrients they need to develop at this stage in their existence exist within themselves, right. So adding feed to this space would probably make them sick, right. So they are there, and I estimate that it is, and usually my estimation is not wrong, I estimate that this is roughly about 7 to 8 dozen tilapia fries free swimming. I like the looks of this. I'll give you update going forward. So this is day number 12 in this aquarium, right, and they are doing fine. I keep you up to date. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.